How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed on Android or iOS phone. First, open open settings, then go to storage. Now click clean up, and here make sure you have enough space, or you can just delete some photos or videos here, and then go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here an update, just click on it, and if that also doesn't fix it, now restart your phone and try again. And now all you need to do, if that doesn't fix it, uninstall your Instagram and install it again. You will need to log in again to your account, but that will help you to fix your problem. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.